All right, on the cover of your notebook, you want to put your name and your class period. Ask your teacher for a Sharpie, that way it won't fall off. Our first page is going to be our name, but we're going to save that for later. So just turn the page and leave it blank. The next thing that you will want to do is put in your table of contents. So you will pick up these papers from the front of the room. You'll have to cut them in half, and you'll need pages 1 through 8. I would recommend that you put glue on the back of the very back page so it's not flopping around. You actually don't have to staple it together first. I just had a couple of mess ups. So glue it down and then staple your pages all together. So there's your table of contents. The next thing you'll want to do is pick up your syllabus paper from the front of the room or wherever your teacher puts them. It may be missing this little piece that says welcome. So if you pick it up, you'll need to put some glue here and here. Glue it on. Yours may or may not say reader. That was a mess up, but it doesn't matter because you're not going to see it. Flip it over. And then you will glue this into your notebook. I would use a lot of glue because it's a little bit heavy. And if it hangs off, I would actually probably take some scissors and trim it at a later time. I know my pages are numbered 3, but like I said, I messed up the first time. So on the page of your syllabus, this is going to be page 1. Page 2. Page 3. And if you want to quickly number your pages, you can just start doing the odd numbers. Please do it slowly so you make sure your pages aren't stuck together. Oops, that's an odd number. But be sure you number the whole booklet. Once all of your pages are numbered, you'll need to pick up 2 Post-it notes. Put your fingers where the sticky part is, and we want to cut off some of this non-sticky part so it's not sticking too far out. You could actually probably cut about half of the non-sticky part off. Your first section will be called My Writing. And that will go not on page 1, because that's where your syllabus is, but page 3. And I would actually recommend adding a little extra glue reinforcement so it doesn't fall off. My Writing. And then if you look at your composition book, in the middle there's a natural middle. We're gonna move that over. You should have a seam right there. And on our other Post-it note, we're going to write my notes. Once again, let's add some glue. I don't want mine to be, I want to be able to see both of them. So stick it in like this. Then on this page, just in case they fall off, let's write my writing. And then on your My Notes page, let's write My Notes. The last thing you'll want to do now is go back to that cover page, put your first name, your last name, and your class period, and decorate it however you like. And once you've done that and all of your pages are numbered, you have set up your notebook.